Introduction to splitting large archives.
Need to share or store huge files? With WinRAR, you can break up large files into smaller, manageable parts. This is especially helpful for uploading, emailing, or fitting files onto storage devices with size limits. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use WinRAR's Split Archive feature to divide big files into convenient sections.
Opening WinRAR and selecting your file.
Start by launching WinRAR on your computer. Navigate to the file or folder you want to split. Select it by clicking once. Then click the Add button at the top to open the archive creation window. This is the first step toward creating split volumes from your large archive.
Choosing the split size.
In the archive creation window, look for the Split to Volume Size box. Here, enter the size for each split part, like 100 megabytes, 700 megabytes, or any size suitable for your needs. WinRAR will automatically divide your archive into separate parts based on the value you enter.
Creating the split archive.
Set any additional options you need, such as archive format or compression level. Once ready, click OK to begin. WinRAR will create multiple files with extensions like .part1.rar, .part2.rar, and so on. Each file will match the split size you specified, making them easy to transfer or store.
Recombining and extracting your files.
To access your files later, make sure all split parts are in the same folder. Open the first part, typically ending with .part1.rar, in WinRAR and click Extract. WinRAR will automatically combine and extract your files, giving you access to the complete archive once more.
Tips in troubleshooting.
Choose split sizes that match your storage or sharing needs. If extraction fails, ensure none of the split files are missing or corrupted. WinRAR works best with its own splits, so use the same program for combining. Splitting archives makes sharing large files easier and more reliable.